sa PUP Hasmin. Yan. Ito tayo Manila room. Kasi nga, isang elevator kaya 7th floor ang akitin natin. Yan. Ayusin natin yung speaker na nirewire natin. Panayos natin. Attach natin, balik na natin sa unit. Tapos sabay testing na rin. Kasama natin si Jeff. Ayan. 7th floor. Okay. Ayan guys. Nakahingal. Nakahingal. 6th floor pa lang. Seventh floor. Ay, Manila roll. Okay. Nandito na tayo guys. Elevator natin ay sira. Right, Manila roll. Let's go inside. Okay. This is Manila room. This is Manila room. Nakapastin po yung speaker. Sabit na yan. I-repair natin, ibalik natin yung speaker, babalik natin yung unit na pina-repair. Bila yung isa. Yan yung isa. Okay. This is Manila room. I have to check and make a preventive maintenance kasi may event sila nung next sa dating na Friday. So we need to check the system. Busted system, have to repair. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin ang control. Buksan mo na. Control system nila. Ito yung control system nila, nakalock. This is Magsaysay. Kaya papunta recto. Yan, ito naman papunta kung saan saan. Sampalok, ito na Sampalok Church. This is the view from PUP Hasmin. And we go to the control system. Okay. This is the control system. Malinis. Okay. We have to test later after we have to touch the repair of the speaker. Guys, ito yung unit. Ang driver unit. We'll see. Waiter. Diyan natin babalik yan. Okay, ay babalik na ni Jeep yung ano. Yan. Yung ano, may pansikip na. Tingnan mo na akong guys. Okay. Ni-edit mo yata ito eh. Wala bumalik sa 1 eh. Bumalik sa 1.
Let's turn the screen.
Guys, we're done. We're done install of screen and driver unit. The other one. This is it. This is it. Okay. Guys, nabalikan natin yung computer, yung driver unit. Ngayon naman, ito naman ilalagay natin yung screen. Babalik natin yung screen. Sige lang, bakit? Yan ang technician dito sa PUP Hasmi. Kaso lang, iniwanan yung control. Napabayaan kasi may gagawin siyang iba. Hindi lang kasi technician itong trabaho itong mamang ito eh. All around. Aircon, electrical, safety officer. Ganun kahirap ang mga Pinoy. Shout out sa mga Pinoy na masisipag dyan. Huwag Japan na lang tayo. Okay guys, binabalik namin yung screen. Okay, mamaya sound check na natin to guys. Okay, see you later. Balikan natin ang unit, yung screen. Tapos kabila, tara punta tayo sa control guys. Sa control. Yung mga mics nandun, isang mics lang. This is it. Control system. Yan. Okay guys, testingin natin yung ginawang ano. Ito yung mixer natin, si MGP24X. Para sa theater lang. Theater lang. Dito ka. Oh. Hey, check. Paganahin natin. Try natin paganahin. Check. Check. Check.